Hi guys, good morning. So I'm doing here another product review of my new I'm excited vlogging tool straight from Lazada. Let's open this one. So actually I bought a gimbal so to improve more of my vlogging. Currently I'm just using my hands and some normal phone holder to do the vlogging. So let's open this up. So it's quite safe. It's actually you can see it's a DJI OM4. So it's full with bubble wrap. So this is another investment from my side. So I'll try to cut this one so you can see it more clear. Okay. So this is DJI OM4. See. So this have a magnetic quick mount. Quick mount. You can see. Let's see it. You can see it, guys. Magnetic quick mount, gesture control, quick roll. So it also have an active trap, so you're spacing from videos, it will follow you. Then it has what do you call this? Uh, Story mode and that's it. Let's unbox this thing. So I got it from Sada sale, so they have like 300 less voucher, then some Lazada from voucher. So I get a good discount on this one during the Lazada sale. Okay, so how to open this? Let's open it. Oh, it's a push. It's a push thing. Let's push. Or what? Ah, no, this is this. It has a shield. So let's open it on this side. Yeah, exciting. So what's on the box? So it has a good. When you open this, right? Creates magnetic moments. Yan. Okay, so this one. Then it includes tripod, USB Type-C cable. This is the magnetic holder. And if you don't want to use the what's this? Racing small phones. Okay. Let's have some. I'm not sure what is this for. Let's see it later. Then yeah, this is it. The DJI OM4. See. So how that do it has some power? How to turn this on? It's a nice, good brief. But I'm not sure how I can turn this on later. Let's try this later. So this is what's in this unboxing one. And let's open what's inside on this. Oh, so it has the a magnetic phone sticker if you don't want to use this. Manual, so definitely I need to read the manual because this is the first time I'm gonna use the gimbal. So it has a manual, and good thing it has a alignment guide. So it will be on balance pa. And the casing of Osmos 2. Okay guys, so let's, I'll try it later, I'll show it to you guys. For now, it's now for unboxing. Bye! Yan, so guys, so unboxing. So, may binasa ko lang. So, ganito lang pala siya para itaas. You just need to pull it up. Okay. Yan. And this is the power button. On. Okay. So, let's try without the phone yet. So, yan. Nagalaw siya. Yan. Wala pang phone. Touch to no. So, we will try later with the phone on this. So, meron siyang control. Merong, not sure what's this. So, I need to download the app pa. May trigger and may record button. This is the record button, and I think this is some to move it. Then, may button siya dito. Maybe to zoom out. Then, a trigger. Maybe to record. You'll see. For now, that's it.